Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you my Halloween bathroom, which I added some items to. This was the bathroom that I shared with you before. I had bought a tablecloth at the Dollar Tree and it was so big that I decided to cut it and make it a shower curtain. And what I did was I added some washi tape to the back so that it could support it, and I used a punch hole to punch a hole everywhere needed. So I also added these little pumpkins to some of the hooks. I also hung some of these. I have 3 of these. They're battery operated, but I don't have any batteries in them. So there are 3 of these. This one I only have 1 of, and then there's 2 of these. It's like a puppet. You can put your hand through here, right underneath, and just maneuver it. But it is battery operated. And what it does is the eyes light up. So these are really cool. I got these, I believe, I bought them a long time ago at the Dollar Tree, I believe it was. But I've had these for a while. So anyway, so this was the shower curtain that I made from the tablecloth. Look at the design. I love skeletons. So that's the shower curtain. And then at the window here, I added some more items from the last video that I had made on this. I totally had forgotten that I had that piece. So that is a new piece in this video. I also have some of these Klingons here. And I added some skulls. I added a bat, a rubber bat. So that is the window. Now, even on top of the toilet bowl, I have a rat. I have some pumpkins here next to the tissues. And I have also decorated the entire sink. So let's see what I have here. So I have this project that I had made. It does light up. So I'm going to, let's see if I find, oh, there it goes. See the lights? The LED lights. So this was a project that I made recently with a black and white picture of a wedding couple. I added a skull. I added a few skulls. A little metal toilet that I had in my miniature collection. Then there's a coffin here, a ceramic coffin. Then the skulls are all spread out. There's one in that corner. I have the plastic pumpkins. And the skulls are all spread out around the sink. I have the additional little pumpkins that come with a wire, so I placed them right on top. You can get those at the Christmas tree. This has a switch. The witch has a switch, and the ghost too. So they have sound. And of course, I already had these. It looks like a bottle of potion. So it goes great with that witch right next to it. Then I have more pumpkin baskets. These are from the Dollar Tree. You can get them there. I have a little tin bucket. And I have another rat up here and another one up here. This is where you hang your towels. Then I have this skull here. He's also battery operated, but I don't have any batteries in it. So he's in the toothbrush holder looking in the mirror. So that is one of those magnifying mirrors. I'm not sure if that's the magnifying. Yeah, this is the regular side. That's the one that magnifies. So he is looking in the mirror there. So this is my Halloween bathroom. It's rarely used because it does lead to my son's room, and my son doesn't live here anymore, so really nobody really uses this bathroom. So this was great for me to decorate. Up here, I also have more of those Klingon skulls. And that's it. So I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.